There are quite few ways to create a page in Adobe InDesign. Each has its own advantages depending on your workflow and desired outcome. Here are some options. From Document Setup. When creating a new document, you can specify the number of pages directly in the Pages field and hit Create. This is the simplest method of setting up a document with a predefined number of pages. By the way, if you want to learn about how to use these presets to create InDesign document, then I've added the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. If you already have document open and you want to add more pages later, then go to File and choose Document Setup. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-P. In this dialog box, enter the desired number of total pages. From Pages panel. You can create new pages from Pages panel. If you don't see Pages panel in your workspace, then go to Window, then choose Pages. Shortcut key is F12. Click the small plus button at the bottom of this Pages panel. This adds a new page after the currently selected page. Insert Pages command. Go to Layout, Pages and choose Add Page. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift-P. This adds only one page after the currently selected page. If you want to add multiple pages, then go to Layout, Pages and choose Insert Pages. This opens the dialog box where you can specify the number of pages to be added and their location within the document, and choose where you want the new pages to be added, before, after, or within the existing pages. You can simply create a duplicate page by holding Alt on your keyboard. Then drag the page thumbnail. Then release the mouse. Note that this creates the duplicate page. So, if you have any data on the page, that will appear in your new page as well. So, make sure the page is blank before duplicating it. From Properties panel. Also create a new page from Properties panel. However, it is important to note that this method is only available when no objects are selected and Selection tool is active. If you cannot see the properties in your workspace, then go to Window and choose Properties. In this panel, you would be able to see this page icon beside Page Options. Click on this icon to create a new page. While not the most intuitive method, but it can be a quick way to add a single page while no other elements are selected. Conclusion. Ultimately, the best method is the one that feels most comfortable and efficient for your workflow. Try different options and see what works for you. I hope this tutorial helped you understand all the ways of creating pages in Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗃𝗵𝗻𝗄1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, 𝗃𝗵𝗻𝗄 Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, 𝗃𝗵𝗻𝗄 Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.